So hi and welcome back. So in the part before we created the side bottoms, and I would like to continue with putting down more details, and I would like to start with the top blocks, then with the back camera, and we'll see how much time we will have left, and continue with more and more details. The front part I will left for the next part, and then we'll do the textures and materials in Photoshop and do a nice render. So let's continue with this, but before we'll fix this issue which I have here, and the issue is that these bottoms should be here and reverse, this one here. So I will mirror the shape a bit, and for that I'll just hit this, and the shape is mirrored. Very simple. Now of course we have here the plug, so I forgot about that. So I will go back, I will click on this, delete the turbo smooth, attach it to the main shape, hit the mirror one more time, press OK, no clone, just the mirror. I will select the element, select wall element, detach that, and call it slider. We'll apply turbo smooth on this. Not on that, on this small one, sorry. Turbo smooth second line, and I will also rename this plane to Nokia. So okay, we have the mirrored shape, and now we are going to do the bottoms here. Now before I do anything, I will straighten this. So I will go to the front view, hit the vert mode, we'll select the verts here and also here. I will go just for shift perspective to look that everything is selected, and as you can see it's not. From both sides there are missing verts. So I will go to front view one more time. We'll try to make the selection bigger. Select everything what I need, and I'm missing here one, and here the same. So I will carefully select everything, and from the front view I will just pull it up. Okay, so I'll straighten this line one more time. Everything looks fine. Okay, and now I will do the same trick like by this bottom, so I will use shape merge, and for that I need a shape. So I go to top view, select the rectangle tool, and draw here a rectangle. Now I'm turning rectangle because the jack block on the reference picture which I saw wasn't just a circle, there was before a shape like a rectangle or a square. So for that make it like this, 3.5 and 3.5. Maybe this a bit smaller, let's say 3. So he would like to do the jack. Now the USB I will do somewhere here. I will convert this to spline, make this a bit smaller, and a bit bigger in this, and I guess also in this direction, just to make something like this. You can also move this a bit, so we can convert this to spline too, and we can move this to align with this line a bit, just like that. So I have here two splines which I need to merge with the rest of the shape. So what I will do is that I will attach again these two together. We'll go to my main shape, which is Nokia, go to Combine Objects, select shape merge, pick a shape, select my shape, which is in a moment reflected here. I'm just thinking if to move that a bit or not. I think this is fine. We'll convert this back to poly. This I will delete and I will select words. So let's go to the top view. Now let's go delete what we don't need. Here 2 or 3. More space. Here we have a lot of them. Now this was caused because the shape is going along with the rest of the shape. But don't worry, so far we'll just delete all these words which we don't need. We'll keep these ones in the middle because I will probably delete the inside shape. Because actually I don't need any edges inside. So I will hit the edge tool and just delete them. Actually I'm a bit worried about this, but let's try that. So here is rectangle, let's go here, same actually. I don't need anything from that inside. So we have here 2 squares. Now I will select them and again like before I will insert the shapes. Just too much. I can probably use similar value like I was using before. Now this will be for the first was back, sorry. I can also delete I think 1 or 2 words. Yeah, it was just one, which I really don't need, so one time set 2 times. And now for the shape. This one should be actually just placed here. What I will do but is that I will select just this one here and I will pull it a bit. I will not extrude, I will just pull it up just a bit. I'll still select this. I will keep the edges and apply a small chamfer. The smallest one. Select this one, loop it, extrude. Of course change the value to something like this. This is probably a bit too much. And like this it should be okay. Now I'll select also this shape, loop that, chamfer with this value. Now something similar I will do also here, but here, yeah, why not? I will do the same here actually. So I will pull this again a bit up, chamfer. I can use the same values. Why not? Oops, not chamfer. I'll extrude that. So I'm making some kind of base, even that the moving is not necessary absolutely. It's nice to have it there. And now, what I want to look at if it's smoothing eventually how I want. Yeah, more or less. So it's making what I want. I will fix the rest right now, but the base which I wanted that it will do, it's doing. So it's good. Oops. yeah, top view better. So here now I need the circle for the block. So I will go again to the objects. Spline. Now I need the circle. Can turn on retrograde. Place it somewhere here in the middle. Can do it even bigger. This should be fine. And now here I need again a shape. Now the shape shouldn't be absolutely straight or so. So I will use again a rectangle. Place it somewhere here. We'll convert this to spline. Select this one and change this to corner. I don't want that, so we'll place everyone in the corner position. And I will make something like this, and this from both sides. Move it, and the smoothing later will do the rest. You can also make it a bit bigger. Okay. So again, I have here two splines which I will attach together and then put back to my shape, Nokia shape. So shape merge, pick the shape, select new shapes, convert to poly, select the shapes. We're still in the top view. Select this. I will not use any weld so far. And one more time I will delete everything what I don't need here. And again, I have here pretty much of them. It's a simple shape. I even so far don't need this one. Even that Max is starting to DS. So I will need to fix that. And I will now use my cut tool. Place some of them to the shape. Now can. So this one I can do here. No, better here. So we'll cut here a bit more of the edges to make something like this. Okay. Now I will jump here. I know it looks a little bit confusing right now, but don't worry. I hope, don't worry. We will now delete what I don't need. Actually, I don't need this one here. I don't want that one. So I will use again the cut tool. Cut this here. And now I will delete. Like this. So now I will delete the words like I was doing in the parts before. Pretty easy, just hit backspace. You will delete, and probably also a bit destroy your shape. So we're trying to keep the same distance between the words. It's not always possible. Sometimes I need to keep few which are a bit near together to keep the flow and to keep them around the shape of the whole of the circle. Okay, this could be fine. This could work like this. Now again, I will use the cut tool and now cut the verts to our rectangle shape. Here we have lots more options how to cut that, but we don't have to cut all of them, of course. Just we should think how the major one. Anyway, later we'll see if we did it good or not. So we have here these two shapes, still looking a bit strange, but of course, I mean, it shouldn't look that, but it will look different later. So I will also make some cuts here. About these ones I will think a bit later about that also. So first of all, I want to make these shapes somehow. So I'll make one by one. I'll make here again an inset 3. Let me think. Yeah, I'll make here just 3. Z to zoom. Now I'll extrude this back. Straight back. Somewhere here. Now I think I will try to use the bevel tool, and I use the inset tool. Make here a step like this. We'll again use the extrude and again the bevel tool to make some kind of interesting shape like this. Control H, chamfer, small value. Also chamfer these, which we did. Here we can apply a slightly bigger value, and also here. Here we can go smaller. Love this. Here we go. This one. One more time we will do the extrude trick. Here. So make it 0. Okay, make it like that. It should be pretty fine. And hit OK. So I hope it's not so big. Let's say it's stereo jack. Okay, let's go here. Now, again, something similar. We'll do inset 3, like this. This will be a bit faster, I think. We'll go extrude down. I don't know how much. Be like that. I will do again inset and one more time inset. I will select these corners here. Better probably to select will be select this, bring that, control, poly, and I will extrude it somewhere here. See? Something like this. Before I do anything else, I will loop this, do again the extrude trick, just to make it looking a bit more interesting. And now I need work the trapeze to see. So okay, firstly let's go here. Okay, almost fine. So let's go to our cut tool and we'll cut it here. This one's here, and let's say this top one here. So we'll just anchor it one more time somewhere. For this, I will zoom here. Okay, looks a bit better, but not this side here. Now it's caused by that here we have this cut down there. So of course we could simulate that and that. Oops. Time. The cutting here will be a bit pain in the ass. So now I want to look. Here it's better. So it's some kind of it's almost the same like the subdivision techniques or hard surface modeling. We need here a small border which will tell the shape, like keep attention when you smooth here. So it's just cuts which we are using, nothing more. Okay, now it should look the same from both sides, more or less. There it's better. We can also make it there a bit more edges around, but I will keep it like this. And I will go here. Now let's go to the top view for. So first of all, got it here. Probably telling yourself like, why I'm doing so much. Triangle. Let's say yeah, I'm doing triangles. That's for sure. Kind, but to understand it like that, also saving a lot. Making this the pure poly modeling technique will cost you so many polys, which we are saving now. So it's about your taste how to do that, really. I'm not going to tell anyone how to do this stuff. Okay, the sides are good. Here we have something which is probably caused by something which I don't know so far. Okay, we can do the weld trick. Forwards by 0 are done. But it wasn't any here. Oh, pity. Yeah, but we are now losing our shape. Okay, let's look here. What? Yeah, we have here two words actually. Oh, we don't. Oh, my bad. Here. Bad. No, this is fine. Hope I didn't save that. Probably yes. Okay, I will just save this like part 3. Just in case something will happen. One more time. Doing something like this. There's something strange just causing this. Don't know. Right now what? Try to move this cut. Don't stop up. Just curious what this will do. Okay. Okay, back here to this shape. Now this is looking pretty ugly. I agree. So we need to do something with this too. That to zoom on that. So before I do anything else, probably it would be a good idea to chamfer a few edges. So I will do a chamfer here. All X, and here is one line. There is something else. Chamfer. This one would be nice to have chamfered. So I have that, that, and that. Because this one I have already chamfering. Okay. Now I will so this one. Okay, so let's look back on that. Now the shape should look a bit different in this moment. There it's looking, but it's still very ugly. So what to do with that? Here we go with more options to do. We can do the hard surface trick also here, or could try looping that and that. We loop along the whole shape, which of course I don't want. So I'll do something like this. Deselect that, and I'll apply chamfer here. Let's select this. The shape is looking now better for me, even that you saw there something. It's better for me. So I will go one step back, and I'll chamfer that 2 times. Hit apply. Do something like this. I will fix this in a moment. Before, jump to perspective view. I'll go here and here. Loop that one time, because I don't want that it will go through the whole shape, of course. Just stop here. Apply here chamfer again, but more smaller one. Double one too. So I was doing okay. That one before was too small. Yep. So a bit larger. I think I didn't. Yeah, I made a double click. Okay, one more time. Like this. So now the shape is looking better. It's like I would like to have it, even that this is absolutely bad. And now we are going to fix this. So I will actually delete this. Also here. And also here at the bottom. We'll select this one and set a small value like this. Apply this one more time. Oh, my bad. Now I will hit my cut tool and do some cuts. I'll do something like this here. I will look if it will be enough. Could be. So I have something like this. Don't have to go so away from the shape. Try to make something like this, and here we can connect it here to the base shape. Now let's see the difference here. Better. Not so good. Better. Here we have a small problem. So what I will try to do is to delete this one, select my cut tool, and do this. A lot of shapes at once. Oops. Yeah, this is fine. So okay, we have the USB plug here. Now what else we can do here is can actually do a cut here. Not looking bad, but someone could scare it. He will see some elements there. So zoom on this, and we just make a cut from here to here. Yeah, it's looking better now. So okay, so not a problem at all, of course. We have here two plugs, not looking so bad. I'm just curious how much 8,000 polys by this level. So okay, let's go to the back view. Of course, we will come back to some details later, but so far we'll keep it like it is. So let's go to the back view. We'll X on this shape, and we have here, as you can see, a jack, and this is not the important part. The important part is this one here. Now here we could do more options. Here we could put here a bit more edges, or better, we could move a few of the edges to fit the shape and go from there, which is not actually such a bad idea, because this is almost straight. So why not? We can try that. If not, sorry for that. But here we could jump to a problem. The problem would be that here is the shape round. For that we will need a bit more of the edges, which we don't have. So you can decide. We could move that really from this shape, but we don't have to at all. So I will make the shape merge one more time. I'm doing the details almost just with that. But I think it's not such a bad technique. It's pretty working how it should. So I'll make here a rectangle, make the radius like it's in the picture, like this, place it somewhere here, and the shape is done. Now moving, I think so. Yeah, this is pretty probably better way to do that. Anyway, let's quickly continue with that, because I'm pretty hungry and I would like to eat. Okay, but that are my problems. So I will shape merge this. Convert to poly, delete. Go to word mode. Now I will not merge anything or weld. I'll just jump here, delete everything manually. It's probably pretty faster than to do it any other way. I think think I saw here double. Oh, it is. Again, we don't need the edges inside at all. Even now, even later. I don't think so actually. You can keep it there, but once more, we don't need it there, so I will delete them. I can make a few later there, but now it will probably just make us some troubles. So nicely done. Now all the X. Now first of all, I will do the inset. Here we have a double word, I think. Or we have the, yeah, we have. Okay, so I will do here inset. We can do a bigger one to see if we have the words doubled anywhere else. And no, we don't. So we'll make a small inset, like 0, and from this point we'll do the shape. Now it looks here like bumps, like it's going up 2 times. So for that we can use just extrude. We don't have to go with bevel here. Just go here, extrude the shape to our desired, like here. It should be fine. Oops, let's go to the back view. So it should be up enough. Now we'll inset that just a bit, and we'll use scale tool for the rest. Like this. We'll use the same extrude value, maybe a bit larger. We'll use the same inset and make it here like that. We did these 2 steps, and I think there should be just 2, just like 1, 2. This is 1, this is the second, so it's fine. Now here we can do one more inset. Oops, to the back view. Z to zoom. Somewhere here. Okay, before I do anything else, I will loop that chamfer. Also chamfer this bottom with a smaller chamfer, of course. And now, yeah, now we'll select this poly extrude, small value like 0, 1, just for effect. Select everything here, loop that. I can do the middle part, so one more time. We'll extend that as a shape. Loop, chamfer, can go higher value. It's okay, yes. So if here the camera point, don't have to be too big or too small, of course. Yeah, unhide selected. Unhide all. Yeah, I think that's fine with it. It's just a bit. It should be enough. So let's go to the big view. Leaks. So what we have here, more or less just texture. The only detail is this camera. The flash. Yeah, we can do that, but I think it's not necessary there. I will think about that, but I have no big mood to do that, so I will do again this one. I will scale this down. fit the shape of the camera and not have the need to make here another shape. So far, of course. So let's say like that. Now, this I will extrude also a bit inside. It's too much. Yeah, like this. And I think one more time we'll extrude this, but now to the back, like 005. Just a little bit. Holding this, Control Edge, chamfer, we'll hit here the smallest value. I think also here I will apply just the smallest. And here I think we can do a bit bigger. So okay, that and that. And now for the camera, I guess we need to shape merge here one time something. The same like I was doing here. But I think I will do this in the next step. Yeah, I will also think about this. I think I will keep this a bit a small part. Probably also the next part will be a bit smaller, I don't know. But before I do that, we can try here to be smooth. And we just need to do there some cuts. But this we will do in the next part. Yeah, probably yes. So, thanks for watching so far. We will do the next part right after my little break. And thanks for watching so far, and bye bye.